Howdy friends and neighbors, it's old Dale Collins coming to you again today on behalf of Presidential Gardens Backyard Nursery. We're located at 3095 Dave Ward Drive in beautiful Conway, Arkansas. Today we're going to discuss real quickly what to do with the containers with plants that didn't survive. Anytime you have plants, if you've just got a very few, or if you've got thousands like we do, there's going to be some that don't survive. So what do we do with those? That's the question. And so we're going to show you that today just real quickly, because being country folks, we want to take a good care of the earth that God has blessed us with and our resources, and both the earth and both financially. And so here are some cuttings, fig cuttings that did not survive. So we're just simply going to pull them out, we're going to collect them up, we're going to compost them again, turn them into some good rich soil. And we're going to take these containers and we're going to save the soil. We're going to put them in a bigger container so that we can use that soil, this particular type of potting soil, later on whenever we might need it. And so we're not going to just throw it away. It's not going to be wasteful. But part of being self-reliant and having a homestead is learning how to manage the very best managing possible of your resources. And so we're going to reuse this soil in some capacity on the nursery or greenhouse or vineyard here. And so this is what you would do. Now, the flower pots, the containers, the price of them is nearly tripled. You can't hardly get them at all across the country. We save these. We're going to probably wash these, and then we will reuse them as well. We'll take the labels off and reuse them. So these are some ideals of how that you can make your resources go a little further at your garden, your nursery, or your vineyard, your orchards, whatever it might be, your homestead, and then make your resources go further. This soil will be great to use in various different other things and projects that we'll have coming up. There's no point in throwing it out and then having to go buy more. So let me encourage you to recycle your soil, recycle your containers. If you live locally and close by, bring them here. We recycle the containers for people, and we go through them. What we can use, we use, and what we can't use, we send to the city for recycling. So let's all join together and make the very best use of the resources God has blessed us all with, so we can stretch our finances and stretch our soul and everything else to get maximum production out of it. This is Dale Collins at Presidential Gardens saying thanks for watching. Well, friends, I'm back again. Old Dale Collins. Just want to wind this video up with them 5 important things that you can do to help this channel. That is to hit the like button, to comment if you'd like, to hit the share button, and share this information out there to people that it can be a blessing to. Hit the subscribe button. I want to personally invite you to be a part of this channel and growing group. And then hit that bell notification button, ding, 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 so that you will be one of the very first to get notified when we come out with some additional videos. Thanks for watching.